Hi, I'm Russell from Viz RT Pre-Sales, and I wanted to show you Viz Libero running in the cloud with the Contour multimedia controller. So I've got my controller here, and as you can see, I'm able to now scroll through my footage and find my particular endpoint or position on the timeline that I want to find. And I've got two ways of scrolling. I can do it like that, and now we've pre-configured this all so that you can press play, press stop. It will just automatically follow all of those conventions, but you can also set an in point here, and then I could scroll to a different part of the footage and then set my out point. So now I've got all of that configured. So that's all pre-configured, but also you're able to change those obviously from the shortcut editor. So let me just grab the shortcut editor up here, and now you can see if I search for something like set, so I set my in, you can see there that there's a little preview there of which particular key it relates to on the contour. So I can go through these and I can see which ones I've already been pre-assigned. So actually all these are assigned out of the box. So you just if you want to change them, of course you can. So if I click on this like so, I could now just choose something that hasn't been chosen. So let's try this one. And now if I click plus, that is now added to that shortcut list. So it's a really nice way of controlling Libero, and of course it's much better than trying to scroll on the timeline with your mouse like so. So these are a really nice feature and a nice add-on to your control. Now to control it from the cloud, it comes all pre-configured, but you may just have to turn on this connected devices, just turn that on, and you should be ready to go.